Bitcoin might have its relief rally, ladies and gentlemen. We actually hit 91,000. Holy smokes, this is actually amazing. This is quite literally how I feel. Bitcoin at 90K last week, I wanted to absolutely delete everything. Bitcoin at 90K today. Wow, we're all rich again. How does that work? I mean, let's be real here, guys. If you've been watching the videos, you guys already know I haven't really been stressing over the Bitcoin price. Neither have you guys, it seems like. But go over Bitcoin, talk about what's going on. I want to see some nice comments in the comments down below. And guys, happy Thanksgiving to all the Bitcoin holders out there and all the viewers of this channel. Shout out to you. If it wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't be here, guys, forever and always. Now, let's talk about Bitcoin. We can see here. Bitcoin at 20% down in the past month, right? Which is nuts. We can see just today they are up about 5%. And in the past week, we are looking at pretty much a stagnant move, right? We did have a huge dip, but we recovered massive losses from 90K all the way down to about, what was it, 80K or 83K that we saw here. Crazy, absolutely crazy. Okay, now let's talk about it. This was pretty funny. Dave's little Dave Ramsey meme. So you bought Bitcoin at 126,000 because some people online said it was going to a million. Yes, Dave. Then you sold it at 80,000 because some other people told you it was going to zero. Yes, Dave. And you just bought back in at 90,000. Correct, Dave. Now listen, guys, if you are a headline reader and you are just someone that gets afraid of the markets, listen, the best thing I could say is buy Bitcoin. That's all you have to do. Every time Bitcoin dips, buy Bitcoin, and that's all you got to do. And it's literally impossible to make money. I was talking to my friend the other day and I was saying, you know what? If you want to be a millionaire, you're working at McDonald's. I genuinely think it's possible. All you have to do is just buy Bitcoin for the next 15 years, and eventually you're gonna, right. Obviously, be frugal, save your money, invest it. Don't be a retard, and I think it's possible, no matter what type of job you have. Now, this is a very interesting one. So, Crypto Rover says, for now, it seems the 4-year cycle theory is repeating for Bitcoin. Only a break to new all-time highs could invalidate this, in my opinion. So, interesting. Again, if there is a 4-year cycle this cycle, then that would obviously suck. I don't believe that there is. However, there could be. We're just going to have to wait and find out to see what Bitcoin does. Now, some more bullish news. Bitcoin Hyper Guys, $28.6 million raised. They are going to be on a bunch of exchange listings when they actually launch. We have about 466 buyers buying in the last 24 hours. A lot of FOMO's kicking in. A lot of people are starting to learn about this project and figure out that they have a lot of money to work with, right? Huge marketing budget, huge treasury, huge fund just for exchange listings. And guys, they, like I said, have raised $28.6 million. If you guys already have a bag of Bitcoin Hyper, I will leave a link down below. All you gotta do is click buy with crypto, connect your wallet, boom, bada bing. Okay, very easy, very simple, and it just works. Now, BlackRock is buying Bitcoin again. Its in-house fund now holds 2.4 million Bitcoin ETF shares worth $155 million, up 14% June. Very cool and very bullish. And guys, Bitcoin's price on Thanksgiving. I mean, we're just gonna go right off the top here. Literally $2.50 to then $12.50, $800, $376, $328, $739. And then I mean, we really start to see motion in 2020 when it's $18,000. 2021, $58,000, 2022, $16,000, which by the way, I was here. I saw this happen, and it was brutal. Okay. So again, you can expect crazier things to happen with crypto. I mean, yeah. Then we saw 37,000 in 2023. Last year we saw 95,000, and this year we're seeing 1,000. Okay, pretty crazy that last year we actually had Bitcoin higher than it did today. But guys, that is going to be it for today. So if you did enjoy, leave a like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.